Today's video is on the top 3 best ice skates for hockey. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Fifth Element Stealth Ice Hockey Skates. Looking for ice hockey skates that won't break the bank but still deliver top-notch performance? Check out the Fifth Element Stealth Skates. These babies come packed with premium features like stainless steel blades, ankle padding, and heel support, all designed to give you an edge on the ice. The great thing about these skates is that they cater to skaters of all skill levels, so whether you're just starting your ice skating journey or you've been gliding across the rink for years, these skates are a fantastic choice for everyone. Worried about finding the right size? No need to fret. These skates fit true to your shoe size, which means you can count on getting that perfect fit. They provide snug support for your heel and midfoot, ensuring that your feet feel secure while still allowing for some toe wiggle room. And with sizes ranging from 6 up to 13, there's a perfect fit for every skater out there. So whether you have small feet or larger ones, you won't have to compromise on comfort or performance. Now, let's talk about comfort on the ice. The moisture-resistant liner in these skates is a fantastic feature that helps keep your feet dry, which is especially important when you're out there making those quick turns and sharp stops. This feature is a game changer for both beginners learning the ropes and more experienced skaters looking to sharpen their skills. No one wants to feel uncomfortable or damp while trying to enjoy a good skate. Durability is key in any pair of skates, and these skates don't disappoint in this area either. They come equipped with a reinforced outsole, giving you stability and lightweight comfort so you can focus on your performance rather than worrying about your equipment. Whether you're hitting the rink for a casual game with friends or skating outdoors on a chilly day, these skates will keep you steady and agile. You'll feel confident knowing that your skates are built to last, even through those intense skating sessions. Last, but certainly not least, comfort is crucial when you're out on the ice. The padded footbed of these true-to-size skates cradles your foot perfectly, maximizing your comfort and support for every run. This is especially important during longer skating sessions, where the right support can make all the difference. Whether you're playing for fun or competing in a league, these skates will help you enjoy every moment on the ice without the distraction of discomfort. Overall, the Fifth Element Stealth Ice Hockey Skates are a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their skating experience. With premium features, a true-to-size fit, moisture-resistant lining, reinforced outsole, and a comfortable padded footbed, you're getting a fantastic value for your money. So lace up those skates and get ready to glide effortlessly across the ice. Your next adventure awaits. Tap that subscribe button like you're trying to keep your balance on the ice. Number 2, best overall. Rollerblade Bladerunner Ice Igniter. Are you ready to step onto the ice and embrace the thrill of hockey? Look no further than these fantastic recreational ice skates, specially designed for beginner to intermediate players. They offer immediate comfort, ensuring you feel great right from the first moment you lace them up. Plus, you can choose the size that fits you perfectly, making these skates your ideal partner for the rink. Whether you're just starting your hockey journey or have a bit of experience under your belt, these skates are your ideal partner for the rink. Plus, the easy on and off design means you can get into the action quickly and easily, leaving more time for scoring goals and making memories. One of the highlights of these skates is their superior lateral support. Built with the lightweight Igniter XT structure, they provide the right balance of stability and flexibility. This means you can glide effortlessly across the ice while maintaining the control you need to maneuver during games. Whether you're skating down the rink to make that perfect shot or practicing your puck handling, these skates have your back, allowing you to focus on improving your skills. Comfort is essential, especially when you're engaged in fast-paced hockey action. That's why these skates feature a comfortable, padded lining that keeps your feet cushioned and warm, even during those intense practice sessions. Forget about the discomfort of cold toes or blisters. These skates are designed for longer, enjoyable skating sessions, so you can focus on playing your best game. When it comes to fit, precision is crucial. The combination of a cuff buckle, power strap, and lace closure system ensures your feet are secure and well supported. This snug fit is vital for hockey players, giving you the confidence to make quick turns and swift movements without worrying about your skates slipping off. You'll feel like you can take on any opponent, knowing your gear is up to the task. And let's talk about the stainless steel blades. These blades are designed to hold their edge longer, resisting rust and requiring minimal maintenance. That means you can focus on your game without getting bogged down by upkeep. Just make sure to sharpen the blades before your first use for optimal performance. A well-sharpened blade will give you the grip you need to make those sharp turns and quick stops during gameplay. Overall, these recreational ice skates are perfect for beginner to intermediate hockey players. With features like a padded lining, superior support, and durable blades, you'll have everything you need to enhance your game. Number 1. Our pick. Jackson Ultima Recreational Hockey Skate. Looking to hit the ice in comfort and style? Check out these fantastic recreational skates designed specifically for beginner to intermediate hockey players. They feature a cozy thinsulate lining that keeps your feet warm, even on those chilly rink days. The durable nylon upper ensures that these skates can withstand regular use, while the well-padded tongue provides extra comfort during long sessions on the ice. Plus, they come with a factory sharpened leisure blade, so you can glide right onto the ice with confidence, ready to show off your skills. Available in men's size 11 and designed in a sleek black color, these skates allow you to choose the size that fits you perfectly, ensuring a comfortable experience while you learn and play. When it comes to figure skating and hockey, Jackson Ultima is a name you can trust. As a global leader in manufacturing figure skates, boots, and blades, they blend expertise with a genuine passion for the sport. Their commitment to innovative technology shines through, especially in how they enhance the performance of competitive skaters and casual players alike. You can see this dedication in the meticulous design and engineering of each product, but don't think that Jackson Ultima only caters to competitive athletes. They also provide a full range of recreational figure and leisure skates, designed to elevate your time on the ice and make it enjoyable for skaters of all levels. Now, let's dive into the Soft Deck series. This skate program is all about comfort, warmth, and durability. Perfect for those just starting in hockey. Imagine slipping your feet into skates that feel like they were made just for you. The Soft Deck series has engineered their skates to not only fit well, but also feel incredible, thanks to high-quality materials and thoughtful design. But it doesn't stop there. These skates also boast a stylish look that will turn heads at the rink. Soft Deck has firmly established itself as the industry leader in sport and figure-style recreational skates for men, women, and children alike. So, whether you're a beginner learning the basics or an intermediate player looking to sharpen your skills, you'll love the range of options Soft Deck has to offer. With these skates, you're not just buying a product. You're investing in countless enjoyable moments on the ice. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, topic3.com. Thanks for watching.